At Discount Flooring Depot, we want to provide you with as much information as we can to assist you throughout your project. Today we are introducing our brand new chevron flooring range called Craftsman. The collection is made up of 2 straight plank and 3 chevron patterned decors. Ranging from light brushed oak to the oak smoked, brushed and lacquered, the Craftsman's range offers styling to suit any home. Each decor is handcrafted to enhance the natural grain of every board, and comfort underfoot is unparalleled. Due to the real wood construction, the flooring is extremely hard wearing, retains heat brilliantly and helps with sound reduction. Fitting also couldn't be easier with the flooring's tongue and groove fitting system. For the straight planks, simply align the boards and ensure that the tongue and groove sections are engaged the full length of the board. For the chevron flooring, within each pack you will receive A and B sided boards. Ensure that the A board is at a perfect 45-degree angle and introduce the B side and ensure that the top joint is fully engaged. Continue this process to create the chevron pattern. With 5 stunning decors and all the benefits that real wood flooring has to offer, the Craftsman's range can enhance your home in a heartbeat. Order your free samples today or use our room visualizer so that you can see our floors in your home. Next day delivery is available, and with flexible purchase options, your perfect flooring really is just a few clicks away.